Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be talking about Sbux or Starbucks. And today I'm going to be talking about where the price might be headed over the next few months or weeks, and what we could potentially see. So I kind of wanted to start this video by showcasing this wave count that's existed ever since we broke out of this range here. So ever since we broke out, we saw this 5-wave cycle here, followed by an ABC wave. The C wave is really interesting here because you have one of the largest drops I've ever seen on a C wave to this previous demand zone back here. I've never really seen anything like this occur. That's due to the drop we obviously seen in March. Ever since then, the market's kind of bottomed out, and this stock has rallied quite a bit. So it's pushed higher on this first wave, and now it's sort of been consolidating for the past few months. And it's actually getting pretty close to breaking out. So what we could see unfold in the price is a similar thing we saw back here, is another 5 waves higher. This would be called a zigzag trend in Elliott wave theory. These are probably the most common trends we get. So yeah, I do think if it's following its current trend, we should get another 5 waves higher here. The stock has broken over most of its key Fibonacci levels, and it's right over the 61.8% retracement right now, and it's just broken back above that level. So I do think due to this consolidation range back here, we do have a level of demand below, and I think that will propel the stock higher here. We've got all this demand piled up against this long-term base here, so it would make sense to actually see the price push higher here. You know, price compression does usually lead to price expansion. We've pretty much seen price compression for around a year now, so there is a good chance we do push higher. On top of that, we've completed this ABC wave down, so the long-term trend kind of dictates that the stock does go higher here. Now, where I think it could potentially go is probably the 161.8% extension of its highs to lows here. And that sits right around 130 a share. I think there's a good chance we see that level. So the way I think you can go around trading this is if you could take a long position at 82 and you could put your stop right below these recent pivots at around $70. I think that would be a good trade. You're risking about $10 for pretty close to 50, so you have a 1 to 5 risk reward in the trade. So yeah, I think there's a great chance we see that 161.8% extension that sits at around 130, and I think we complete this 5-wave cycle higher here. So yeah, this is a great trade. I think you can long the stock here and put your stop versus 70. Hopping over to the options chain here, I also wanted to break down a trade that I think offers a pretty good risk reward. So we have these June 18th, 2021 $100 calls, and I think they offer a really good risk reward. They're trading for around 2.5 in premium right now. I think that would be a great fill. Actually, I think anything below 3.0 would be a great fill. Like I said, I think there's a good chance we see around 130 a share, so these should be worth around 10 times the current price. I think these could definitely see around 30 in premium. I think that's definitely a possibility. So I think it would be the same strategy here. You buy these and then you stop out if we break below those recent pivots. This is a great risk reward. It's got around a 1 to 12 risk reward. This definitely fits my risk reward model I use in options, which I look for about 1 to 10, so I would definitely take some of these. And yeah, I just wanted to share this trade as well because I think it offers a really great risk reward. Anyways, that's kind of my views on Starbucks. I think you have a pretty decent trade here. If this video helped you out in some sort of way, make sure you subscribe and leave a like. Thank you.